Dynamax Industry Company Limited was founded in 2003 and engaged in the R&D, design, manufacturing, and marketing. After 10 years development, Dynamax has established 6 branch offices, 3 R&D center, 2 production base, and several development and production projects around the world. Dynamax has a strong and international team. It consists of Hong Kong professional product designer, senior product manager, R&D engineers, and marketing service team at home and abroad. Our marketing network is all over the globe. Dynamax Smart Home focuses on the innovation of green and energy-saving products, help household provide solution of energy management, family security, smart home controlling, and home entertainment. Our mission is drive your life with innovation and to create energy-saving, convenient, safety, and easy smart lifestyle for our customers. My smart lifestyle starts from Dynamax Smart Home Kit. The host of Smart Home Control System is our Smart Gateway. It is a membrane of home automation. Meanwhile, it has a function of wireless router and IPTV, 3-in-1 to realize the control and management between mobile control terminal and home automotive devices. Our Smart Home HD IP camera combines traditional camera and nowadays network technology, so we can know our home situation anytime and anywhere. If you install IR repeater, you can realize the control of mobile devices like air condition, TV, etc. It is a kind of switch that you only need to touch the touch area of switch to control lights. Usually, smart socket is used with home appliances to easily control power switch of appliances. Before you install other products, you need to install Smart Gateway as it is a control center for the system. Firstly, connect one end of HDMI cable to Smart Gateway and then connect the other end to your TV. Secondly, connect the adapter of Smart Gateway to power. Firstly, during the installation process of IP camera, you need to install antenna of the accessories. Secondly, connect to power adapter. We can choose the right location to install IP camera. For example, install to ceiling or put directly to desktop. Before installation of IR repeater, firstly, fix the holder of accessories to wall. Secondly, connect it to power adapter. Finally, fix the IR repeater with holder on the wall. Adjust the angle to make sure it faces to the devices that you want to control. Power it on, then you can use it. Before installation of smart switch, firstly, cut off power to make sure the safety. Secondly, we open the old switch panel by tool and to distinguish the power input and lighting output firewires by electroprobe testing. Thirdly, open the panel of smart switch and find out the location of power input and lighting output firewires. Finally, take out the screws of smart switch, fix well the movement and install its panel. Before you install the smart socket, firstly, cut off power to make sure safety. Secondly, we open the old socket panel by tool and take out 0 wire, 5 wire, and ground wire. Thirdly, open the socket panel, fix 5 wire, 0 wire, and ground wire to connecting hold of smart socket movement. Finally, install smart socket panel. Don't connect motor to power to make sure safety. Take out a movement wire. Take out curtain control panel. Insert to motor according to the instruction behind control panel. Insert the movement plug to socket and power on. Touch power on or off. Pause on curtain control panel to check if it is normal for operation. Firstly, download the software and install it. Scan 2-dimension code on user guide, or visit the website to download and installation. Choose the right system to installation. After installation, open Wi-Fi setting. Find a Wi-Fi name on Smart Gateway. Input default password, Octopole 8, and make connection. Then we can log on software. Default username and password, please see the image. There are two modes for login: local login and remotely login. Then come to the light setting. Firstly, click the light button on first page and enter into secondary interface. Click the plus sign on the upper right corner of the interface. Input the light name and click OK. The page will show the device you added. Long press the switch button until the light on. The switch will enter into learning mode. Click light button you added in the light control interface. Then the light will be closed. It means you have learned successfully. Firstly, click the socket button on the first page and then enter into secondary interface. Click the plus sign on the upper right corner. Input the socket name and click OK. The page will show the device you added. Long press the socket button until the light on. The socket will enter into learning mode. Click the socket button on the socket control page. Then the light on socket will be closed, and the light on the socket will flash twice. It means you have learned successfully. Firstly, open the interface of our smart home app and click camera button. Enter the secondary interface and click the plus sign on the upper right corner. Input the camera name, scan the UID at the bottom of camera base. If the scan failed, you can input UID by hand. Click Save and the camera has been added. Firstly, click TV button on the first page of app. Enter the secondary interface and click the plus sign on the upper right corner. Input device name and click OK. The page will show the device you added. Then, press the set key on the back of IR repeater. You will hear a beep. Green indicator is on, and the device is in learning process. Press the learning keys on app control panel like TV on or off. Then, the red indicator of infrared repeater is on. Make TV remote control aim at infrared repeater receiving end. Press the key you learned in last step, like on or off key, and you will hear two beeps and the indicator is off. It means the infrared repeater has been learned. Firstly, click curtain button on the first page of app. Click the plus sign on the upper right corner. Input device name and click OK. The page will show the device you added. Press pause button on the curtain controller until you hear beep to enter learning status. Finally, click the pause button of the curtain you added on the first page of curtain controller and open and close curtain. The curtain will be controlled. It means you have learned it successfully. Firstly, log in app and click Contextual in app to enter Contextual Mode interface. Click the plus sign button on the upper right corner. When you add the Contextual mode, you need to input the name of Contextual. You can set the startup time for Contextual, repeated days, and add the devices. After setting, click OK and save. Return to the Contextual interface list and you will find a new Edit Contextual button. For Timer Contextual mode, there will be a clock icon in Contextual mode after you open Time List. It means you have set a timer mode. When it comes to the time for Contextual timer setting, software will auto-control for equipment accordingly. You can add sub-account by the setting of user account to make sure several accounts can be used at the same time. Login app by administrator account admin. Click Setting in the main interface of app, and then come to Setting. Choose User and then come to the User Setting interface. Click the plus sign on the upper right interface and add sub-account you need. Input username, password of sub-account, and allocate the rooms that can be controlled by sub-account. After that, click OK and then finish the setting of sub-account. Return to the interface of user list. You will see the new added sub-account information. Experience Hall. After finishing the installation of hardware, software, and devices learning, let's come to the simple and comfortable experience of Dynamax Smart Home Kit. Lighting Control Experience. IP Camera Control Experience. TV Control Experience. Contextual Mode Experience. Curtain Control Experience. Dynamax Smart Home Kit can be applied to the apartment of 2 rooms or 3 rooms, office, grocery stores, etc. Smart Home Kit is wireless installation and easy operation. It can be taken away when your home moved or relocation and install it again in a new environment. It is your extreme comfortable Smart Home Kit.